Hey everyone, welcome back to VideoFX Studio. Today I'm going to share how I create my remix videos from music to visuals to final editing. If you're a music lover or creator, this will help you understand the full process. Let's start. Step 1. Music creation. If you're a music producer, you can create a remix using any DAW like FL Studio, Ableton, Logic Pro, or whichever software you're comfortable with. But if you're not a producer, no problem. You can use AI tools like Suno to create a cover version of a popular song. Once you have the audio, you can edit it a bit in your DAW, like adjusting the tempo, adding drops, effects, or remixed beats to make it your style. Once the remix music is ready, we move to the video part. Step 2. Plan the video scenes. You need to calculate how many video scenes you'll need based on the song length. On average, I use 1 image per 5 seconds of video. So for example, if your song is 2 minutes long, that's 120 seconds divided by 5. You'll need around 24 scenes or images. This helps you plan your visuals clearly and saves time later. Step 3. Create characters with ChatGPT. Now you need characters for your video. If you want just one character like a dancer or animated figure, you can ask ChatGPT to help create the character's image. But if you want two characters, for example, a boy and girl dancing, then first design both characters one by one. Make sure they follow the same style, so your full video looks consistent. Once characters are ready, now it's time to generate the 24 scenes. Use ChatGPT with image tools to create all 24 scenes using those characters in different poses, outfits, dance moves, or backgrounds, whatever matches your song's mood. Step 4. Turn images into video clips. Once all images are ready, use tools like Google's Flow or Kling AI to turn them into short video clips. You can generate videos in two ways. Use image to video to create camera motion, scene movement, or dancing effects, or use motion sync feature to add specific dance moves to your characters, matching your music's energy. This is where the video starts coming to life. Step 5. Final editing. Now comes the most important part, editing the full video. You'll need to merge all the short video clips in order match the visuals with the beat or mood of the remix, add light effects, transitions, flashes, maybe even glitch or zooms sync with the song perfectly. I personally use CapCut for editing, it's fast and easy. But you can use any software you like, VN, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or anything else. Once you're done, export it in HD or 4000 and your remix video is ready to upload. So that's how I create my remix videos, from music creation to planning to image generation, motion sync, and final editing. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to VideoFX Studio for more tips on music, AI tools, and video creation. Let me know in the comments what type of remix you want to see next. Thanks for watching and keep creating with AI.